No, this is my seat.
This is Bott Buddy's seat.
No, it's my seat.
Bott Buddy sits here.
No, you sit back there.
Bott Buddy sits wherever Bott Buddy likes.
See? He's already trying to take over. I told you, dude.
Bott Buddy, you sit back there.
What are you going to do about it? Ow. Okay. Jeez, Bott Buddy is going. Cut a brother some slack. Damn.
All right, class. Today, you have a test today. So everyone get out a pencil.
A test today? I didn't know we had a test. Hey, Penelope, can I borrow a pencil?
No, Junior, get your own!
You're so loud and for no reason.
Hey, Joseph, can I borrow a pencil?
Get away from me, Terminator!
What, Joseph, you just broke Bott Buddy!
The stupid Terminator was going to take over the world, dude!
You just broke Cody's robot. Bott Buddy, are you okay?
Rebooting.
Oh, thank God he's rebooting.
All right, everyone. I'm going to pass out your test. Here you go, Junior. Here your test. And Cody, here your test. And Joseph, here's your test.
Oh, man, these questions are hard.
Joseph, give me your pencil.
No, get your own pencil. Dude, he burned my test! Look, you can have the stupid pencil, just don't hurt me!
Thank you for your cooperation.
What, did he really shoot lasers at you?
Yeah, you burned my test, dude! I'm out of here! Teacher, I have...
Does anyone else have before the test? If not, get started.
Oh man, I don't know the answers to any of these questions.
Done! This test was so easy.
Your mom's easy because she's a
Wow, sick burn, Junior.
Did someone say burn?
Why would you just do that? Teacher, that robot thing just shot me with lasers!
Hey, Penelope, settle down. And Cody, I can't see what you're doing because my eyes are so strapped. But stop doing whatever Penelope thinks you're doing.
But teacher, that's not Cody, that's...
It is Cody. Look, Cody's sick and he doesn't want to ruin his perfect attendance, so he built that robot to take his place.
But that robot just burned my test!
Look, calm down. Look. You can take my test, erase my name, and fill out this one and turn this one in.
Fine!
Bott Buddy, you have to stop destroying stuff. People are going to find out you're not Cody.
I am done with my test.
Look, you have to turn your test into the teacher.
Turn test into teacher.
Yes, go.
Cody, you already done with your test?
This is now the teacher. Resign.
What are you talking about, Cody? Go back to your desk.
I must turn the test into the teacher. You are relieved of your duties. Resign.
Cody, I don't know what you're talking about. Leave your test here and go back to your desk so I can grade your test.
If you refuse to resign, you must be destroyed.
I'm tenured. They can't fire me, so I'm not resigning. Go back to your desk and leave me your test.
You leave me no choice. Old teacher vaporized.
Junior, did that robot just vaporize the teacher?
Attention, fellow classmates. The old teacher has been exterminated. This is now the teacher. Tell us, teacher, what is our assignment?
Bott Buddy, what are you doing?
Hey, Junior, have you met the new teacher?
No, that's not the teacher.
You said turn the test into the teacher.
No, I meant let the teacher grade your test.
But test is teacher, so test must grade itself.
That's fine. We have to get out of here before the cops come. Come on, let's go.